Need a wardrobe fix? Here's how you can refresh your closet with Stitch Fix. First, you're just going to tell Stitch Fix about your style with a quick quiz. Next up, a Stitch Fix stylist will send you curated pieces to reflect your style, fit, and desired price point. The best part? You get to keep your favorites, and this is what is going to help you really build up your wardrobe. So now that you know how it works, we're going to show you some looks. The fun part. This one is perfect for that effortless chic effect. It's oversized, it's cozy, it's on trend, and anyone can rock it. A bomber and combat boots edges it up. Okay, who doesn't love layering? And layering all in one tone is very chic. We're mixing textures, choosing pieces with movement, and of course, making it cozy. And finally, a trend-forward look with a cutout detail, faux leather bottoms, a poppy shoe, all in all just designer finds to help you look and feel your absolute best. With Stitch Fix, you can find the right looks for you, so give it a shot.